Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel InfoRosan and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the virtual internship program provided by the one of the multinational organization that is a PwC. And friend, you can see here you will get this type of certificate also after completing the internship. And anyone can apply for this virtual internship, whether you are the college going students or the working professionals or the freshers who want to increase their knowledge can apply for this internship program. And the internship topic is the management consulting. So, friend, if you have the question that what is the management consulting, so you can see here management consulting is working with the business to identify solutions to problems to maximize business performance and improve business processes and also increase revenue. And a management consultant can cover the range of areas, including the business management, then marketing, then strategy, and supply chain and employee productivity. So, this is the main role of the management consulting. And friend, if you don't know about the PwC, PwC is the multinational organization and also in the list of 500 Fortune companies. And you can see here they are having a total 149. You can see offices in 149 countries and more than 3,70,000 people are working in the PwC organizations. And you can see here they help the organization and individual create the value they are looking for by delivering quality in assurance, tax, and advisory services. And you can also see here in the financial year 24, PwC firms provided services to 86% of the global Fortune 500 companies. And you can see more than 1 lakh people joined the PwC firms around the world in financial year 24. So, friend, this is a very big organization and it is a very good opportunity for you to complete the internship and get the certificate. So you can see here we are at the official of page of the foreign who is providing this PwC management consulting. So you can see here the course is absolutely free and you did not have to pay any money here. And you can also see here during this program you will get the opportunity to step into shoes of a PwC team member and complete the task that replicate the work that PwC management consulting team does. And you will learn how to analyze, how to communicate, how to collect data, and how to create a basic financial statement and perform basic modeling. And friend, this program will provide you great resource for increasing your skills and strengthening your resume after completing the internship. And you can see the multiple skills you will learn here like analysis, then research, basic financial statement, and business performance terminology and the communication skills. So this type of things you will learn here. And you can see here for getting the certificate you have to complete the multiple tasks here, and all these tasks are the self-recorded videos. So friend, you have to watch it and you have to complete the task what they have told in the video, and it is a self-paced. So whenever you will get the time, you can complete it. So let's check the task one. So you can see in the task one here to provide. You can see business summary. So you have to read the company information and background, and then you have to summarize the most important details about a business and create a business summary for a public listed company. So friend, there are two types of company, like a private limited and public listed company. So you have to make a data for public listed company. Then in the task two, you can see you have to create a you can see Divestiture interview guide. So you have to prepare a well structured guide to gather key information on a business unit and inform its strategy. And you can see here, you have to learn like how to structure and organize interview guide, then develop a list of 15 to 20 interview questions. In the task 3, you have to do the qualitative synergy presentation. So you have to create a presentation for synergy potential in a recent real world transaction. Side like you can see like how to structure and format slides, then practice slide creation by making 3 slide presentation. And in the task force, you can see you have to create a simple Excel model and email summary. So you have to use high level data from the client, then how to communicate your work to your supervisor, then create a model to help determine the value of the synergies and provide a clear and concise summary of the findings. So after that, you have to complete all this task and you have to submit it. And friend, you can see here, once you submit all these details and all the tasks are completed, then you can see you will get this type of certificate. On the certificate, you can see your name will be given, the date of certificate of completion will be given, and what types of tasks you have completed will be also mentioned here. And at the bottom of the certificate, friend, you can see the link is given. Using this link, anyone can verify your certificate, that is it is perfect or not. And let's check the registration process. So in the top, you can see here start free program is given. So first you have to open the link which I have given in the video description box. Once you open, then you have to click on that, and once you click, then this type of window will come. So you can see here, if you have your forage account, then you can directly log in. If not, then you have to provide your email address, and you have to click on this continue. Then you have to provide your some information like your name, your country, and the other details, and you have to register. And once you register, the course will add in your profile whether you can complete it and get this certificate. And if you have any question regarding this internship opportunity, please comment on the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe in Inforosan. Thank you.